morning. We are on our way to shelter SOS to check how is it going with the plumbing work. It's supposed to be finished today, later today. It's still early in the morning, so let's see how it's going. I mean, it's a little bumpy ride up here because it's in the middle of nowhere, as you can see. Let's check it out.
Will be things that they will just attach the tube and wash and do things.
Человек там, наверное, в конце занимается.
Here is another one.
Вон наверху, видите, он стоит.
It goes out there.
Кран стоит, то есть туда подходишь просто со шлангом, быстросъем. Подключился, воду открыл, понеслась. Сегодня мы займемся, обвязкой внутри, бойлер обвяжем, и уже им воду сегодня к вечеру дадим в эти краники. Там стоит один кран с этой стороны, второй кран то, что меня просили туда вовнутрь. Вон еще один кран.
Oh, babies!
Вообще не выросли. Don't grow up.
Yeah. Oh. Hello. Hey, pretty one. Hello. Hello. Look what they managed to do. I will insert a video of how big this dog was. That must be much better for you. Wow. Oh, I know. You look so much better. What do you think about your friend? Ooh. Oh. I know. You look beautiful. Hi. Привет. Привет. Ой, 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 ой. Привет. Oh, you're so big. You're so big. Hi. Hey. Oh. Привет. Привет. Вау. Привет. I knew I was risking something, but
Yeah, he said it.
yeah.
You will do it.
Well, doesn't matter. I wanted to see them. Such a sweet girl you are. Yes, you beautiful sweet girl. Yes. Yes, it's you. Ooh. You too. You're also beautiful. Wait, careful. Oh, happy. You're so happy. So these are the things that they have made everywhere. So today is the last thing that they will do, which is on all those places, like it goes there too, it goes in there. They will just attach like a tap here, so that here they will be able to get water. They will be able to get water in any place where there's this thing. So like I showed you guys before, this was the first place where they could get water before, and not in any other place. But now, look, this is an example of one of those taps. So very soon they will be able to just open it, fill water, and put water right here, put water right there, and not have to walk as far. Same goes for... Hi! This one always wants to play. Play! Hi! Yeah, you're so sweet. I don't know if you can hear me, but if you see, the water goes there, and there will also be a tap right there for the whole cat house, which will be a game changer, because every time before they've had to carry water upstairs here. Drink water, also cleaning water, every type of water that goes there had to be carried up. Now it will just be a tap right outside the door. She loves you.
Look.
Oh, that's so good, isn't it? Smiling.
Со всех сторон! Со всех сторон!
We have arrived once again. Ready to show you guys what the plumber has done. You have water everywhere? Number one is right here.
Вот тебе спуск тоже здесь. Сделал все аккуратно, видите, не то, что было вот это вот такая.
See, this bulb is like down there. It was here, all those tubes was all around here.
Yeah.
Here, done everything like nice and clean.
Ну, и дренаж.
Save the space.
He's done it very nicely.
А зачем это все? Два мангала вообще будет.
Barbecue. Oh, hi. Yeah. How much better is it to not have to walk that whole way up here, just with the bucket all the way in here to get to the cats? Well, they're all here now.
Kiss friendly now.
Yeah.
Повинно бути на фавелу.
Да.
So warm in here, huh? So they can attach the hose like anywhere basically, and just spray anywhere where it's needed, which is also great, right?
Yep.
Okay, they made shoot holes. Look how far this goes. This is an actual cave. There's one right here. Oh, look at that one. Look, another one. Already in action. What was that? Already working in action. That's perfect. Hello. I just came outside so that you can actually properly hear me because these dogs are all barking like crazy. But I just wanted to thank Johnny and all of his subscribers once again because they played a major part in making this possible. We used a big chunk of our money from the 10,000 budget and we still haven't collected the full 10,000. We're about $1,000 away from it. And we need that money to continue the repairs and the replacements. So now, as you've seen in the video, the plumbing work is done. It's already a major change for the dogs, the cats, and the workers as well. So thank you to all of you from all of them. And yeah, let's get it done so we can also get the electricity working and we can get some dog houses built, and let's see how far we can get. So I will recap what the plumber has done. There are 10 places in total where there are new taps. So there's a couple of them closer to each other where there's warm and cold water, which is not needed everywhere on the property, but the hot water is needed for a grooming place, which will be made later. And there is 8 places all over the property where there is a tap where a hose can be attached, so that the water, as you saw in the video, can be easily used, bowls can be cleaned, and yeah, it's just much more comfortable for dogs as well as the workers. And you saw the huge boiler that was installed. That's a lot of water that they can use all at once, so that's great.
Thank you all for helping us making life of workers in this place and pets much better.
Thank you from us and all the doggos.
Thank you very much.
Bye!